Hey everybody, I, uh, if you're watching this video right now, I want you to know that you're watching it because somebody invited you to my program, and this is going to help you a little bit because things work a little bit differently in my program. I'm actually um, causing my visitors, to become a little bit uh, more interactive with me. And this is the reason that I put this on the top of this page. If you remember, this was the page that you were sent to get started. And you're watching this video now because somebody sent you to this page and you clicked the red pill, which is right down here, this one here. So let me explain something right here. Now, if you didn't do this before, I need you to do it now. You see this right here? I need you to actually copy that over right after the equal sign. Copy it and save it for later. Because what's going to happen, there's two things that's going to happen. When you get over here to this page that you're on right now, because you're viewing this video, okay? You're on that page right now, and it's not moving up too fast, but things that you can do on this page. I need to refresh that a little, because I actually took that. All right, there you go. This is the page that you found yourself on, and no longer did you have the that thing in there, that picture of that telling you to copy that information over. And remember, we copied it over. Now, if you decide to partner with me, all you have to do is click Go on this menu here. And you're going to be taken to a order page where you can actually get started with me for $7. Okay? Now the thing is, this person here was your sponsor's name. That's my affiliate, and that's your sponsor. This person is going to get about $5.25 for referring you to my program. I pay 75% to all my members. All right. Now, go back here, and if you want to go to any of these other menus here, all you got to do is click on them. That's a free download there. Our ebook is free for you to download, but you can figure out how to make $1 million with that. Multiple streams of income. That's your members page over there as well. And then coaching videos from Stefan Thomas. That's really where I got the idea for my program. 3 days, 2 nights, vacation certificates, all in one package. Is run a profitable answering service, impact web audio. But a lot of good, worthwhile programs that we offer here. And if you want to get and see the menu that your sponsor offers, it's over here, but you're going to have to remember their username, and in some cases it may not work. Because what I'm saying is, just like this webinar, if you go to this page here and you put in a username that is not, let me say Joe Blow. I'm just saying, you know, and I copy that and we put it in a new page over here. Well, you know, there's actually somebody named Joe Blow in ClickBank. Sorry about that. So, but the whole point is get the right user's name in here. That is a ClickBank user there, and you know, one of the things in that other menu that we've actually got, and I still have to put it in there, is so many hits. It's free, and your user will have a number instead of their name. But just like this Recruit on Demand, okay, if your sponsor has a name in the Recruit on Demand, I'm going to type this, not type that in, I'm going to type in Ingrid 0108, and we'll see if that person actually has a account. I'm pretty sure she does. The only thing is, it's not her username. See, because that's referred by in Guinness. But I'll show you what happens when I put in my username, which is Tom Howard, and we'll change that around. Copy that, paste it in a new window, and voila, we got Tom Howard up there. So that's the way you become interactive, by actually knowing your sponsor's username and pasting it into the blank on the pages that I've set up for the different programs, and then copying and pasting the link into a new window, and it will take you to your sponsor's program over there. This should tell you basically that I know how to make money online. I know how to set people up with multiple streams of income. I've got multiple streams of income already, and I'm just trying to help other people with that as well. So join our program. It's only $7, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks.